healthy Thinai Pongal for all the benefits of millets. Welcome to Sujan Fun Kitchen for a healthy version of Pongal. This Pongal is special because it's made out of Foxtail Millets. My mom is all set and ready to make this very special Pongal, Millet Pongal. This Millet Pongal is ideal during these difficult times of lockdown because just look at the nutrition of all the items over here. First of all, we are using millets, foxtail millets instead of rice. So this is 1.5 cups of foxtail millets, and this is half cup of Mung Dal, and this is ginger and green chillies, and then we have cumin seeds, black pepper, and then turmeric powder, and then Asaefotida, and then ghee and salt and cashew nuts. What more can you ask for? First, dry roast the millets, foxtail millets, till the grains are hot to the touch. That's the texture we are looking for. Now dry roast Mung Dal. After dry roasting the foxtail millets and the Mung Dal, we need to wash both the ingredients, both the millets and the Mung Dal, in running water. Now the millets and the dal both are washed well in water and drained, and now they are ready to go into the pressure cooker to be cooked. So this is water boiling in my pressure cooker. Remember, we started the process by using 1.5 cups of foxtail millets and half a cup of Mung Dal, amounting to 2 cups total. So for that, I've used 6 cups of water. The water is boiling, so you can use lesser, but I'm using 6 cups. You can use even 5 cups. So to this boiling water, we'll add turmeric powder. So add turmeric for all its goodness, and then we will be adding salt to taste. So remember, this salt is for the entire Pongal, Millet Pongal. Yeah, so add according to your taste. Okay, so let everything come to a boil. Now to the boiling water in the pressure cooker, add the washed millets and the dal. Don't forget to stir everything together, and then it's time to close the cooker with the lid and add the weight valve. So before that, stir it well to avoid burning at the bottom. So once the cooker is closed and the weight valve is added, simmer the flame to the lowest and pressure cook for around 8 to 10 minutes. So each cooker is different, so take care about the timing. Meanwhile, my mom begins the grinding process. First is the grinding of black pepper and jeera, and the second of green chili plus ginger. So first she would grind black pepper and cumin seeds together in the dry mixer grinder, and then she would grind green chili and ginger. Roughly ground black pepper and jeera, keep it separately. Coarsely ground green chilies and ginger, keep this also aside. In a pan, add few teaspoons of ghee, heat it, and then add the chopped cashew nuts and start frying them. Keep aside the golden fried cashew nuts. Heat ghee again, and then splatter jeera and whole black pepper into it. This is for additional health benefits. Yeah, so let the jeera splatter Yes, and now add the crushed black pepper and jeera. Remember, my mom already crushed it in the grinder. Add that now. Yes, add it. And then stir fry. All this over medium flame. And then now add the ground ginger and green chili paste. Remember, we did that earlier. That is, my mom did it earlier. Yes, add it and saute. So the tempering for the millet pongal or Thinai Pongal is getting stir fried. Remember, we added cumin seeds and whole black pepper, and then we added the ground masalas, that is soft black pepper jeera and ginger green chilies, and now add Asaefotida. It's great for its benefits. The tempering for the Thinai Pongal or Millet Pongal is ready, but it's little dry as you can see. So add few tablespoons of hot water to the tempering or masalas and allow a boil. Now the pressure cooker is ready to be opened. So yeah, it looks great. The Thinai Pongal or the Millet Pongal is ready. It's boiled well. It looks yummy. Now add the sizzling tempering. Remember, we added hot water to the tempering. So now add it to the millet pongal or Thinai Pongal and mix. Start mixing. So my mom adds more ghee into the Thinai Pongal or Millet Pongal. This is completely optional. So she's mixing it well. And then now she's going to add the golden fried cashew nuts. Yes. And in goes the small plate of fried cashew nuts. Wow, they look yummy. And then she's tossing it around. And then so this is the ven pongal, which is usually made out of rice, but nowadays we are very health conscious, and that's why we are replacing the rice with the thinai or the millets or the foxtail millets. So do try this out for health and taste. Thinai Pongal. So this is how the Thinai Pongal or the Millet Pongal looks. Yeah, so let's taste it. Thinai Pongal or Millet Pongal goes well with Gotsu. Gotsu is a vegetable gravy, a South Indian vegetable gravy, mildly spiced. But today we had Vatha Kuzhambu at home, so my mom has combined this Thinai Pongal with Gotsu and Vatha Kuzhambu. So a yummy platter.